Welcome, Minister. I congratulate you on the changes in this bill, and while they are creatures of necessity, as I read through it, some of the content, although they may be temporary, I look forward to them nonetheless being a modernisation of how we do justice and how we conduct the business of justice in the state. Many are welcome and long overdue. I particularly welcome the video link and warrant arrangements. They will lend themselves to a more efficient and effective means of conducting our matters of justice, and perhaps will also lend themselves to a diversity of inclusion of a greater scope of individuals being able to have access and participate in the court system. Albeit a small feature, I welcome the provisions for the remote meetings of clubs and the filing of documents. And with regard, I echo the question of Senator Ardagh in that with the remote hearings by designated bodies, are we intending that also to include the Workplace Relations Commission, which I no doubt on the reading of it would certainly appear so, as I think it is important that we had been at a stage prior to the COVID-19 where we were seeing the inside of a hearing room reasonably quickly, and the system was taking a shorter period of time than it had ever done in the history of it. And so naturally the COVID-19 has caused a delay, which is a matter of concern. So hopefully this will alleviate that, and we'll work back towards it. The modernisation of the oath as a statement of truth also allows for equality and really represents what we have, that we have a society that has people who are persons of faith, of all faiths and none, and that is reasonable that we take people and we respect that. I echo everything that's being said on conveyancing, on the e-conveyancing, and if that can be facilitated. As a very last aside, Minister, as you are the Minister of Justice, can I just very briefly speak about the fact that there was a fatal shooting yesterday, and ask you please to consider bringing in, there has been a call therefore that we have maybe something akin to the operation of the campaign, the police campaign of Operation Cherry Orchard, that we look at something like that. The ordinary decent people deserve to be safe on their streets, and they deserve to be safe as their children play on their greens. So I would really appreciate that and a statement from you as a wonderful, I suppose a strong statement of support to the wonderful and proud people and families that are in Ballyfermot, and to ask you, Minister, to use your good office to empower their lives and to support them as they conduct their lives. Thank you.